Here we have our DMAN shampoo bar. The beauty of our DMAN shampoo bar is that it helps save plastic because there is no actual packaging for it, all right? So you can see it comes in this cake of soap style, except that it is sulfate free and it is enriched with argan and coconut oil to make it really nice and smooth. So how to use the DMAN shampoo bar? You start off by wetting the shampoo bar and also wetting the hair. So then it's just a matter of running the shampoo bar over the hair and you'll notice it starts foaming up really easily. It's a really beautiful foam. It's really nice and soft and moisturizing because of the coconut oil and the argan oil within the bar. So as you can see, it's foamed up really well, really fast, okay? So once you've got enough foam and you want to give the scalp a good scrub, you can then continue to give the scalp a scrub, and then once you're finished scrubbing, we can then rinse. So the beauty of the shampoo bar also is that it is eco-friendly in the way of that one shampoo bar contains approximately 80 shampoos. So it alleviates the need for buying 3 bottles of shampoo. So it's very cost effective and very eco-friendly. Once you've finished rinsing, we recommend that you use the conditioner prescribed for your hair type and your scalp type, leaving that on for 3 to 5 minutes and then rinsing and styling as desired.